welcome to my channel. And I am at Home Depot and I was looking at some plants. Let me show you. And the truck was coming today and the guy was putting out new arrangements and stuff like that. So I'll show you what they have really quickly. It's got a Lola. These are Altman plants, so they tend to be always a little bit more than the other side over there. I think these are $4.98 or $5. I'm not, well, that is $5. There should be, here it is. Where's the price? They normally have a price. I don't know how come they're not having a price on these right now. But anyways, that one's cool looking. I think it's I say it wrong. Caladium, but no, I'm saying that wrong. So let me just not say. Neon breaker, beautiful. A bunch of beautiful plants. They have, what is this? This Mexican snowball. It has a few names. It's very elegant, and then, well, this one's Arctic ice, so at least that's what that says. These are the mini ghost plants. And there's some more mini ghost plants over there. They look beautiful, nice and plump. But surprisingly, I don't know if it's because, I'm a little bit bummed out that I've been losing so many plants. Surprisingly, I'm not gravitating towards them. I'm actually gravitating to plants that are in bloom right now. Like, I like this one, super pretty. This one is $21 and it is, let's see if it has a name. That's what it is. And then it likes part sun, so that'll be good for someone that maybe doesn't have like a really sunny area. That might be good for you guys. Look at these jade. They look different to me. They're really, I don't know, they're really plumpy and just kind of a wave in their leaves. So I don't know, that looks very different to me. Here's this one that I shall never buy again for now because I lose it every time I buy it. So I'm done with that one for now. Ooh, that's a beauty. Is this something autumn or something like that? Yeah, autumn flame. It's very autumn flame. It's very galaxy right here. I really like the little cute little arrangements. I also gravitate towards those. But yeah, I really like the flowers that I'm looking at. So I grabbed this one. I thought it's a great deal. It trails down. It's a perennial. And it is only $5.98. And it's a Dipladenia. Am I saying that right? And then these. These are in the succulent family. I like these. I normally get them. I haven't had them last, they last a good while, but I don't know, I tend to kill them, I guess, or maybe where they're at, they just don't do too well because too much sun. I have no idea because they like the sun, but I've never had this one last, for like a long time like my other plants. So, but I do like them. They're really inexpensive and they do bring a lot of color to your backyard, to your garden. And I also saw some bees on it, so the bees will enjoy that. So that's really cool. Look at this nice plumpy cactus. I like when they look so plumpy. But so yeah, that's what they have over here. And yeah, surprisingly guys, I'm gravitating towards flowers. So let's see what else. Very hot, guys. It's hard to wear a mask in here. If nobody's next to me and I'm in the garden area by myself, I will put my mask down because it's hard to breathe. Look at these. So pretty. Look, $15 for this big, beautiful plant. That's really good. But I've been trying with plants that require more watering, so for now I'm just gonna work with what I have and see how I do with those, because I'm not very good with those. But look at these different, this flower on this desert road is very different, even the leaves. So I think that's like a mix of something, but it's beautiful. I was tempted, but I'm trying to be good. Yeah, I need to think about, I want to put this maybe in a hanging basket. Not sure, haven't decided. I just don't want to also overwhelm my, I don't know, with a bunch of hanging baskets. But I don't know, it's so pretty to look at them too. I just love looking at plants. I think your backyard is your oasis, is your space. So if it's cluttered with plants but it makes you happy, I think go for it, right? These are so pretty as well. So yeah, I think that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. That's the only new plants that I saw over there. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing this one, possibly in a hanging basket. Not sure yet, but I am thinking about it because I think it would look beautiful just draping down. So we'll see. I guess I'll have to get potting soil for this, and then I also need some cactus mix. So I'm gonna do that. Gonna look for some cactus soil. And that's the small bag. There's one that's $8. So I'd rather do the $8 one. But yeah, we'll see. I'll see you guys later. It's been a while already. I did a bunch of stuff after Home Depot. So I just, you know that plant that I bought, the Daffodillia, I think, the one with the red flowers. I actually want to hang it. I could hang it traditionally by making like just tying a few ropes around this and just hanging it like that. But I am curious, guys. I want to see if I can make a hole on the side. I did that, I think, only one time, but I think it was on a shell. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it with you guys and see what happens. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna try, and I think maybe like around here, right? Let me see. I'm trying to look. Yeah, like around there. We'll just try. We're gonna go at an angle, and then I'm using this to just put it on the side so it can't roll. This is just what I have right next to me, so it can't roll anywhere. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, let's see. See, that kind of keeps it from rolling. It is. So let's try it. So kind of it will end up like this. So let me go a little bit lower, like right there. You know what I just thought about? My plants are gonna get dust on them. I don't want that. So let me just go ahead and move these out of the way. But look, that was pretty quick. Ooh, there it goes. That was cool. So now, how do we get the other one the same distance? Because I don't have anything to measure, guys. I don't have anything, of course, right? I don't have enough to measure. And then I would like it to be straight across. So, it's not a good angle. So, let's say right here. And then so I would want the circle to end up right there. So I'm going to keep it at an angle here. Probably not going to be perfect, but hey. Whoa, it's pretty good. Let's see how accurate that is. Hey, Looks pretty good. Yeah, I think I did pretty good. We'll see. Pretty good. Okay, I said that already a few times. Pretty good. And now, what else am I gonna do? I need to make a hole here. There you go. So guys, I know people ask me, even though I've mentioned it before, but I know new people continue to watch my videos. So this is a diamond bit, and I got it off Amazon. Amazon's gonna be the best place you can buy it. Not Home Depot, because it's gonna be too expensive, but you can get quite a few for $10. So yeah, look for it on Amazon. Diamond drill bit. And there you go, guys. I will plan it up and show you what it looks like. Here it is, guys. All done. I like it. Looks good. See, all you do is just wrap it like that, tie it up, and it's all good to go. Very easy. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Guys, you have a blessed day.